And
This is emotions.
it was emotions. Give me a second. All right.
Camera.
Now, Samara, you look serious with your glasses on. I like them. Guys, this is not in standard form. How would I switch them? Go ahead.
Well, you switch it. You just put, you put -4x plus 7.
Negative 4x to the fifth.
Plus 7x to the third.
Nice. I just wanted to, that's standard form. My leading coefficient is -4. Good. Okay, I just want to go with that. Now, guys, this is important. That's a monomer. That's one term. Now you add them together to get the degree. Right? Alexis, what is that then? This is a fifth degree. Okay? Does this change my degree? If I put a G there, does it change it?
Yeah.
What is it now?
6.
Good. All right, now. It looks like they're all in standard form already. What's my first term? What am I writing? Go ahead. 8x what? Squared, right? Second. Whoa, come on. I wrote 2. All right, now. Plus 3 minus 2. 1x, positive or negative? So what do I write? What should we write as good high school math students? Liv? Thank you. Guys, we're gonna count that wrong on a quiz or a test if you write +1? No. But guys, in a book or something, or if you type it in the computer, you might want to put, just drop that 1. Okay, -4 plus 8. Plus 4, right? That's it. What's my degree here? Second? Trinomial, 3 terms, right? Okay, good. What's my first term here? Mary? Mary. What's my first term? Keep going, Mary. You're on a roll. Ooh, this is tricky, Mary. Tricky, Mary. Careful, sister. There's no X here, right? So what am I going to write next? What do you think? You don't need your calculator. Standard form. What would come next? Do I have an x squared term? No. Do I have an x term? How many x terms? There you go. Just bring it down. Yeah, that was kind of tricky. And then now, what's my last term? -16. What is that degree? Trinumeral. Yes, Bailey. It is third degree. Third degree. All right. Guys, look over your homework. Look over the homework real quick. See what you're thinking. Remember, tomorrow's a late start day. What time is it? What time's the bell about? You guys should 9:39, isn't it? Yeah, tomorrow. Mm-hmm. So get here about, you guys should be here tomorrow about now. Don't worry, we'll be here working to get better for you guys. Okay? Makana?
Every teacher should have a joke book.
Every teacher should what?
Have a joke book.
Oh, I got them right here. Yeah.
I got them. Actually, they're funnier than me.
That was kind of funny.
You know, a horse walked in to see his therapist. You know what the therapist said to him?
Yeehaw.
Hey, buddy, why the long face?
What's the definition of a will?
Come on, Dorian, you want to laugh. Again, a horse has a long face, but that's also an expression, why you sad? Why the long face?
Probably looked it up on the internet.
No. Okay, guys, first degree, second degree. Now, here's where you got to be careful. That's not 8th degree. That's a monomial. You have 8 plus 1. That's a 9th degree there. How about 7? You have 1 plus 3 plus 7. That's 11th degree. I just took your kidney from you. You don't even know. I'll give it back to you. Is everybody okay on those? The degrees? You sure? Vince, wake up. Sleep on your when you're making the pizzas. Now, we had to write in standard form, identify the degree and leading coefficient, and classify. That's a lot here. Okay, obviously it's one term. Don't have to worry about standard form here. What degree is number 9? Do you guys see that's the 8th? It's a monomial. It's one term. Leading coefficient's 3. Let's jump down to 13, shan't we? Guys, this is my leading term because of the 4. Does everybody agree? Then I go plus 6c squared minus c to the first. Okay? What does it want? What's my degree? 4. What's my leading term? Coefficient, I mean. 2. What is the polynomial by number of terms? Bless you. It's 3, right? So it's what? Trinomial. And Serena's counting the 3 on her hand. Good job, Serena. All right. This one's just backwards, right? This should go first, then that, then that. Yes? Si, senor. Now, look over. Did you guys do all these? Look over the answers. Look over your answers, and I'll do one if you want me to. I really don't want to, but if you need me to, I will. So, Liv, I don't want to. Check those. Those are important, guys. 19 through 24 are important. No, if you want me to, if you don't see what a mistake you made, let me know. Jill, don't throw your pencil down in anger. Guys, Jill's in a bad mood, so stay away from her today. Wow. I didn't think you were like that, Jill. I know Makana's like that. Don't mind Jonathan, he's just moving stuff around. Guys, is there any ones you're not sure how they got the answer? Are you sure? Please ask. All right. Before we start today's lesson, I want to talk about that. Guys, we're going to subtract polynomials today. Okay, and we got to learn one thing. I just want to review this with you before I start. If I have a negative side outside parentheses, do you guys agree it's like having a -1 out there, right? If I had this, let me back it up a couple steps. And I'll keep the same numbers. Don't I distribute the 2, right? So that'd be what? 6x minus 10. Is everybody good with me? if that was that, how would it affect it? Wouldn't it be negative 6x plus 10? Is everybody good? Okay, so here's what we're going to kind of look at today. There's going to be a negative sign, subtraction sign outside our second parenthesis. All we're going to do is we're going to distribute the negative sign to both terms inside there, or 3. How many terms are inside there? And it just changes the sign of it. Okay? This is positive 3 right now, right? 3x. What's it become? What's the negative 5 become? Okay, now, and once you do that, guys, you would change it to a plus. That's all we're going to do today. And then once we do that, it's the same as these problems right here. That makes sense? Matthew, you want to correct the homework orange sheets for me? Thank you. Does that make sense? That's what we're doing today. That's it. All right. So, Jill, Dorian, you guys want to talk to everybody? Jill, I'm going to give you one more chance. If you screw up, you're fired. Fired. Makana's taking your job. You're not supposed to get any accumulation, are we? Whoa, Matt, did you just try to trip her?
No, I saw it.
Jill, did he try to trip you? I need Matt.
Hey, I don't want to go for it.
All right. Thank you. You can just put the extras right there. I'll grab them. Did everybody get one? All right. So let's roll, guys. Yeah, I mean, I already told you all this. I'm not going to go over it. Okay. I already did this one. Do you have this on your paper? This?
Yeah.
Okay. Does this make sense? This was plus 2x cubed. If there's a negative out, it's going to change every sign. Goes to negative 2x cubed. This is negative 3x. It goes to plus 3x. It was plus 7. It goes to negative 7. That's all we're doing. And then once we do that, we just add like we did last night. Okay? That's all the lesson is, guys. That's it. Okay. Do you have this one? No?
No.
All right.
Write down the back.
Huh?
You can write down the back.
Where's my glasses?
Come right here, Mr. Parker.
Trying to wear them? Maybe? All right, guys, let me make sure. Let me change my thing to X. All right, now we're cooking in Crisco. All right. Everybody pay attention. Now, we're minusing this from this, right? Nothing in your first parenthesis changes. Just rewrite it. So rewrite the first parenthesis. No change. Okay? Now, what kind of x squared is it right now? Plus, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I want to do this. I want to change that to a plus. That's my goal, right? So in order to do that, that's why I'm changing all those signs. Okay? This was a positive x squared, right? Now it becomes what, guys?
Negative.
That was a plus x. What's it become? Positive 1 becomes. Okay, now, once I do that step, my friends, it's just like we did yesterday. Nothing changes. I'm adding and sometimes subtracting if it's a negative, like terms. and I want to write everything in standard form. So I got squared, that's the biggest one. Okay, what's 2? This is really now 2 minus 1, right? Just like we did. What's 2 minus 1, guys? Okay, so I'm not going to write 1. I'm just going to write x. Oh, my goodness. I'm going to write just x squared. It's really 1x squared. Just write x squared. Okay, so the x terms. Negative 3 minus what? 1. Don't say minus negative 1. It's minus 1. Minus negative 1 would be plus. What's negative 3 minus 1, guys? Negative 4 what? X. And then what's 1 minus 1? If anytime you get a 0, you don't write it, whether it's 0x or 0x squared or just 0, it's done. This is all I got right here. Done. It's in standard form. What's my leading coefficient? 1. Right? It's a 1 there. What degree is that? Second degree. All right. There's hope for you guys. Hope. All right, guys. I'm going to do this. Nothing changes. Gosh almighty. Now, I want to do that. Now, in order to do that, I want to change that negative. I'm going to change those 3 things in there. You guys change the signs, and then I'll give you a second. Please do.
Yeah.
Feel like the snow?
I haven't been out too much. They've been sick, like cold.
Okay. Bailey, you got it? All right, Bailey, what am I going to write in the parentheses? Speak up, hon. Yes, ma'am. Go. Yes, ma'am. Nice job. Guys, we're only changing the second parenthesis signs when we're subtracting. First one does not. Now, once I do this, just like we did, combine like terms. Right? Easy peasy today. Samara, 7m to the 4th. Do I have another m to the 4th term? Sure. So what am I going to write for my answer? 2m to the what? Yes, ma'am. Do I have an m to the 3rd term? No. So what's my next one? M to the 2nd? Okay. What do you got there, Makana? I got negative 2m to the 2nd plus 5m to the 2nd.
Minus 3m to the 2nd.
Careful, sister. Negative 2 plus 5.
Plus 3m.
There you go. Plus 3m to the 2nd. Nah. You still have what to deal with? Yeah, don't forget that. Just bring it down. Drop it like it's high. Drop it like.
Whoa. I was not expecting that from you. Little Snoop.
Snoop. Don't they say the Poe?
Are they doing the halftime show?
I don't know. Yeah, I think so.
It's like, it'd be like my high school / early college. Like
Snoop's always relevant.
it's Snoop. Who else is doing it? Eminem.
Yeah, man.
Real Slim Shady.
I'm
Who
just
else?
gonna show up.
Dr. Dre.
Dr. Dre.
I'm showing up.
I'll see you there.
The halftime show is here.
You gonna sing?
Better believe it. We sing as good as those guys. All right, here we go. I don't think there's any more on this page. All right. Does anything change in the first one, my friends?
No.
Rewrite it. Drop it down. Drop it, like it's what? Like it's what, Sabrina? Huh? What did she say?
We don't care. Oh. I think she meant like it's hot.
Wow.
Yeah.
Don't care.
you straight up.
I'll have Bailey take care of you.
You didn't even know this Snoop Dogg reference.
I do, yes.
I do. Don't know. I don't know Snoop.
I don't know Snoop Dogg's song. I just really know that one.
He's in some commercials or something.
Oh yeah, what's the Mexican beer?
Is it like a Corona commercial?
Corona commercial. Yeah. All right,
Yeah.
now
He's on fire today.
Bailey, you put your. I don't want to talk to you. I do not want to talk to you. Great.
What?
You guys still love that game. Did you guys?
Yeah.
As a kid, loved it. Heads up 7-Up. Do you remember that?
Oh, yeah.
I'd always be like peeking.
You know who the
Like if Taffy, you'd be like,
No, the real ones get look at
oh, I did. I cheated.
I picked up our shoes.
If you're not, what does it say?
And since I know how to cheat, I never, if I tapped Makana, I would always never go in front of her ever. And if I tapped her, I'd tap her and then go around the room.
That's when you get like your friend to go together, and like you walk by, and as you're walking by, like you have your friend tap them.
Nice.
If you had any
Whoa.
friends,
10th grade, I used to do stuff like
I
that.
pretended I had a friend.
Can you
That's
see?
great.
You didn't
Ask
have
them
friends?
to. Huh?
You didn't have friends?
Imaginary, but you know.
My brother had an imaginary friend and it was like serious. His name was Kiki.
My sister had one.
How's therapy going? Do you hear me? How's therapy going?
Older
All right,
Younger brother.
Brother.
Yeah.
guys, I want to change this, right?
He was smart.
I want to change that.
He's fine.
Okay, so
Or no, he's
it's a
fine.
positive.
He was fine.
Okay, I'm sorry. So, Bailey, put your. No, I don't want to talk about it.
What?
Jonathan, what do I write?
Negative x to the second power.
Yeah, it was positive. Good. Then what?
Plus 9.
Nice job. All right. Great.
Nah, that's class.
Okay, when you go out of here, go by the steps. First hall on the left, guidance office. Go down that hall.
I've been done that.
Ask for an
Did you have
admission.
coffee today?
Ask to be transferred.
No, not second period because I'm in there. It's like, yes. No. Brady, what do I got? X squared now. What am I going to have for my answer?
Negative 9x squared.
Better look at it.
Oh,
Penguin names.
negative 1 x squared.
Dude, it's negative 10 minus 1.
11.
Nope.
Negative 11
That's still wrong.
x squared.
Okay. You still have time to recover.
Take his temperature.
What's next?
Negative 3.
No. Close.
I know what I did wrong in the
Minus
first one.
3x.
I was looking at the 9. Negative 3x
Yes?
You're very intelligent.
plus 16.
Close. I got plus 60.
Oh.
I'm not sure you said it. No, that's right. Guys, questions? Concerns? Okay, try that one.
Right here. Horizontally. Wow. Okay.
We could do it in reverse.
What if
Take
that
a
was
video,
spun, hit him in the eye?
Take a video and put it in reverse and then be like,
Hey.
that was cool.
Wasn't very good. I was bad toss. Oh, you clap at that, but you can't drop it like it's hot.
I dropped that like it's hot.
Listen, no drinking before class. I told you. Mary,
What? What's round on both sides? This is high.
What's what?
Round on both sides and says hi.
Ohio.
Oh, hi. Oh my.
Was that right?
Yeah, I was right.
Ohio.
Bailey.
You kept on like the nine.
Yeah. She doesn't like. He doesn't like it.
I'm like, what? What you say?
Nothing.
You talking smack?
All right, let's change the signs. Bailey, what did you get in the second set?
I got -5 r squared.
Mm-hmm.
Minus 4x squared.
Good. And keep it going, Bailey, because you know what? You got cheated out of a lot of turns earlier.
Okay. So
Oh my.
and then I
Which comes here?
got -4r squared
Uh-huh.
minus 3x squared.
You guys agree? I agree.
I could agree.
Questions on that one?
Homework.
Was that it?
That's it.
I just had to do one problem?
Your overalls.
Mr. Parker.
I forgot. I didn't know you was that.
Sorry. So I assign you guys an online assignment so you guys can kind of check as you're doing it. What's your problem?
The online tests.
Doesn't matter. It's easy.
I rather do 20.
Education is not about what you like and prefer.
On the student, and it's like my
On your math.
So online, it's assigned to you. I think I even allowed for you to check an answer.
Yeah.
Answers.
Just
I'm still getting new, like it's still new to me.
Just one or more.
You guys have a good 12 minutes to start.
Oh,
Matthew, you have questions?
is the only multiple or just one?
One question?
No, like check.
Attempts?
No, check answer.
sometimes it's like, oh, you
I remember one time when I was.
I'll be honest, I forget. I assigned it and I'm like, I hope this is right.
It's probably just one then.
It's got so many boxes to like check.
I think you should know it.
You can. I think you can check so many.
Normally you can't. When you just one, and then you
Straight on the phone talking to you. I said that.